Welcome to STEM with a Twist. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of living and non-living things. But hold on, this isn't your regular science lesson. We're going to explore how living things have shaped history, how non-living things are used in amazing inventions, and how you can become a real-life explorer of the natural world. Ready for a science adventure like no other? Let's jump in. Let's start with a question that has puzzled scientists for ages. What makes something alive? From the tiniest single-celled creatures billions of years ago to giant dinosaurs and, well, us. Living things grow, move, breathe, and adapt. They're part of a grand story that started millions of years ago. Can you pretend to grow like a plant? Stand up tall and stretch your arms. Now flap your arms like a bird. Move just like living things. Did you know living things helped shape history? Plants gave us food, animals helped us build, and trees turned into paper for books. Every living thing played a role in creating the world we live in today. Can you think of something in your house made from a living thing, like wood, paper, or even food? Point to it and shout it out. Now let's talk about non-living things. Rocks, metals, and plastics. These might not grow or move on their own, but they've helped humans create some incredible things. Look around. Cars, buildings, even robots. They're all made from non-living materials. Can you find something made of metal or plastic around you? Hold it up and shout, non-living. Non-living things are key to some of the greatest inventions. We mine rocks to build bridges, roads, and even space shuttles. Without these materials, we couldn't explore the moon or send rockets into space. Pretend you're an astronaut. Jump in slow motion like you're on the moon. What do you think astronauts use from non-living materials on their space journey? The future is even more exciting. Scientists are now using living cells to create things like artificial organs and bioplastics that are good for our planet. Living things are not just a part of nature, they're helping us design the future. What's something in your house that helps the planet? Maybe it's a plant or something reusable. Let's give it a high five. Now it's time to play living or non-living. I'm going to show you something and you shout out whether it's living or non-living. Living or non-living? What about this? And this one? What about this? Great job, future scientists. Now it's your turn to be a real-life explorer. For today's STEM challenge, go on a mini adventure. Find one living thing and one non-living thing around you. It could be in your room, outside, or anywhere. Take a picture or draw it. Then ask yourself, how do these things help shape the world around you? Living and non-living things are everywhere, helping us shape the past, present, and future. The more you explore, the more you'll see how incredible our world really is. Keep asking questions, keep inventing, and remember, science is all around you. Thanks for joining me on this STEM with a Twist adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring. Who knows what amazing things you will discover next? See you soon.